Look at that. Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about a really cool device that I have in front of me. This device is from a company called Liene and the model is PixCut S1 and the price is $300 at the time of this recording. So right in the box you get the machine, you get a photo pack so you can print on. So the papers are like glossy special papers, and you also get one ink cartridge. And the setup is super easy. You just open the back and connect the paper tray that it has right here. The thing is, this printer works with two types of paper. One is bigger than the other one, so you can just set it up right here. Which paper are you using? And you connect it from the back. Boom. That's done. In the back we have the power port and also a USB Type-C port, which doesn't work at the moment because at the moment this device only works with the app on your phone, but they wanted to introduce a PC software for it as well in the future for Mac and Windows. And also we have a place to put the cartridge in. Super easy, just open the cartridge and slide it in. And also in the front we have the cutter section, so you can remove this plate right in the front so you can see the cutter, and that cutter is actually very precise and very sharp. So this is just for safety. The app is actually pretty easy to use. When you open it you have multiple options and templates if you want to print something just using the template. So right now it's around Easter and they have some designs that's really cool. Around this holiday you get like different designs they introduce through the app, and you can pretty much open it and just print it right using the templates they already have, and you don't have to necessarily design it yourself. We have like the designs for editors pick, so this design is super cute and you can go all the way. They have tons of different stuff. I'm just gonna start by printing a photo from my own gallery, from my own pictures. So for that reason I need to switch to the 4x6 photo. So these photo papers are a little bit smaller and switching paper is like super easy and quick. That's it, and put it back in here. So when you press the plus it asks you what do you want to print. So right now it's 4x7 sticker paper. I'm gonna go to 4x6 photo paper. The thing is 4x6 you can only have the option to print a photo. There is no sticker available for this paper. I have a cool photo from Christmas and I'm gonna print that. So that's pretty easy. You can do an adjustment, go to edit. If you want to make it bordered, you can do a Polaroid cut, and you can do no crop. I'm gonna go with the borderless because borderless is perfect. You can adjust or add some filters. I'm not gonna do any filters, but they have it. And you can also enhance it, like brightness, contrast, sharpness, all of the good stuff. You can do it in the app, which is pretty cool. I'm just gonna leave it as the original, and I'm just gonna go and print. And the printing process is actually pretty cool because these cartridges are like heat cartridges, so they apply each color separately, and it's really fun to watch. So right now it's just gonna take the paper, and the paper gonna pretty much goes through the ink cartridge back and forth for each color. Right now I'm printing a yellow color. I'm gonna show you footage from my previous videos. Next up we're gonna print magenta, which is like a pink red color. So this printer is pretty much a CMYK color, which is for printing. Next up we're gonna do blue or cyan in like printing terms, cyan color. At this point the image is pretty much done laminating, so it's just gonna laminate the whole thing all together. Oh my god, I mean the quality of this device is just mind-blowing. Just check out this picture. I don't know if you can see it in this video, but the quality is pretty amazing. It is super sharp, colors are perfect, detailed, and the good thing, so you can just pretty much remove the top and the bottom part like this, and the picture is ready to use in your album. You can put it on your fridge and all the good stuff. You tell me, leave a comment if you like this device, because I love it. I can go out and take tons of pictures and come home, not only to have them on my phone, I can just print it and put them in the album. Because all of us know, I mean, personally, I'm a millennial and I grew up with photo albums, and I really miss not having photo albums. So this device is really gonna help me put together a really good album for my family, and that's nice. I already printed a bunch and I put them on my fridge, and I also did this one when I first installed the app and everything. The quality is really good. It's really like a good paper. That's just the beginning of using this device. The best features of this device is the sticker printing. It's gonna blow your mind. Just check it out. So we're gonna switch back to the 4x7-inch paper. And also there's no way you can put it backwards because the back side is labeled. Let's do some Easter decoration, okay? So we have like a bunch of pre-built templates. I'm gonna maybe use this one as a test, and you can go in there and adjust it however you like. You can make them smaller or bigger by size, arrange it however you like and stuff like that. You can add some elements like flower. You can add it right into the canvas. So I added this element from the outside, but it doesn't fit right here. I'm just gonna delete it. You can also add text, type something and add it right here, so it's gonna print that one as well, and also add some shapes. You have all the options to make it better and make it more unique for yourself, like adding the names of the family members and stuff like that. And also at the top you have option to save this design for later. You can also print it. It's gonna go into the print mode, but that's not what we want to print, because print is just gonna do a whole print without any cutting. So if it's the sticker mode, you need to press make it. In that sense, it's gonna outline each sticker to make sure the cutter knows where to cut. That is pretty cool. I never seen something like this. This device is super smart. And you can also adjust the cutting border. So how much border do you need? So if you want little small border, or you want bigger borders around each sticker. And also we have option to split cutting. So if you want like a circle or rectangle cutting for each sticker, you can do that, but there's no fun in that. I want a precise sticker cutting like the one you buy from Amazon or other online shoppings. And let's go ahead and just press cut. So it's gonna print first, and then the cutter is gonna do its magic. It's gonna cut. The whole process is really fun to watch. I really like it. It's gonna come out and it's gonna go through the cutter by itself, and you're gonna have the final product. So the sticker paper is a little bit different. It's not as glossy as the photo paper, which makes sense, but it still have some gloss to it. I'm just absolutely amazed by the quality of the print, because right now I'm just looking at it and it's just superb quality. I'm just gonna remove the cover real quick to show you the cutting process. So it's very precise. It just goes in and cut each one like precisely. It's really fun to watch. You should be careful if you have like kids. Don't remove the cover because that cutter is kinda sharp. Damn. It's really fun to watch. You can tell the quality is absolutely amazing, and you can pretty much see the edges for the cut, and we can pretty much just remove it. So it's gonna peel off like that, and you have your sticker that you can put wherever you want. So I'm just gonna put it here, and it has a pretty good glue, so it's not gonna peel off easy. I have a bunch of them around the house. I've done a couple of them on my laptop and do this, and this is the sticker that we just printed at home. High quality sticker, edge to edge, perfect design. It just took us like 5 minutes to print a sticker with this machine, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I also printed this one a couple of days ago, and it's so funny. I love these stickers. They have tons of different designs, and I printed this photo. Look how sharp it is. I took this picture with my phone, and the printer really nailed it in terms of the colors, sharpness, and quality. I mean, honestly, you can start a business for the stickers. You can just design your own stickers, or just download them and sell them online on Etsy, Shopify, I don't know, TikTok. You can start a business with this $300 investment. That's not a bad idea. Leave a comment if you're thinking about that. And they are super easy to peel off, and they just easy like that. This one is actually one of the best functions of this device and the app I'm going to show you right now. So if you go to the canvas, you can upload your own images, right? So I'm just going to upload the Wolverine picture that I took, and this time I'm just going to use the AI remove background. Check it out. So the AI is going to go in and remove the background for the Wolverine, and that's pretty good background remover. So you can pretty much make any type of sticker from your own images, because this app removes the background for you and do the editing. And we can go in and actually do the manual matting. So make it a little bit smaller size and remove the matte, and we're gonna press next. So we have that in the middle of the canvas. We can adjust the size. We can make it bigger or smaller. I'm just gonna make it as big as I can. You can do anything. You can add text. You can upload more images. You can add more elements from their library. You can add shapes and stuff like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and make it, because we want it to be a sticker, okay? And we can adjust the cutting border and stuff like that. And I'm just gonna go ahead and press cut. Okay, now we are printing the first color, which is always yellow, as the base. Next up, the magenta is printed. And I love how fast this printer works. It's not gonna take like forever for one picture. It's just fast. And the cyan is printed. So the print is pretty much done. It's gonna go in to the cutting stage. I think they're doing something with the AI, because this is so precise. Look at that. Done. You can just peel it off like that, super easy. And now we have a Wolverine sticker that I took the picture of. Now I can add it next to the Charlie Chaplin here, and that's it. So it's not gonna fall off or anything, and it's gonna hold strong. You can see I have another sticker built for my laptop. Using this for the past couple of weeks, I never had a problem with the paper jamming, but if the paper jams, you have an option just to remove it. So at the bottom, there is a door right here, so you can just remove it and just take the paper out. But like I said, never had that issue from all of these prints that I've done. And there's also tons of other more stuff you can do with this thing. You can also make a skin for your phone. So you can go to the phone protector film. You give your phone model. I'm just gonna use iPhone 16 Pro Max, and you have a template ready to go, okay? So it has the template, and you can upload an image. Let's say you have a custom image in your gallery and you want to put it on your phone. That's crazy. I'm just gonna upload this image that I made using the AI image generator, print it first, and then cut it to the exact size for the iPhone Pro Max. My wife has an iPhone 16 Pro Max, and she's gonna love it if I show her that sticker for her phone. I mean, that could be a really good gift idea. If you know someone's like phone model, you can just cut out the sticker and just give the sticker to them as a memory. That's gonna be super nice for Valentine or something. I mean, the sky is the limit for the ideas that you can do with this device, and everything is at your fingertips. I'm just blown away by the quality. Every time it just comes out, I'm like looking at it and it's so sharp. I'm like, this is a good device. So far, how do you like it? I hope you're enjoying this video. Leave a like, subscribe for these reviews. And this video is not in any way sponsored. I'm just genuinely excited about this printer because you can be super creative. Okay, so we're done with that. We're gonna go ahead and go through the cutting. So as you can see, pretty much the layout is right there for the phone. iPhone Pro Max is a big phone, and it's gonna go in and cut out the camera, cut out the edges. Okay, first the camera. So, and it goes for the edges. Yup. Is it gonna go for each camera or no? I think it will. Not sure. Okay, so we just cut out the whole thing. All right, so we have the template. So if you want to gift it, you can just gift it like this and maybe put some cover on it. Okay. I just don't want to ruin it before I can put it on her phone, but this is the final sticker that we have. That is pretty cool. I already done one for my phone. I'm gonna show you the video right now. And it was just a random image I printed for the test, and it was fitted perfectly for my phone. This video really sounds like an ad, but it's not an ad. It's really good device. Okay, so let's see other features. So we also have the canvas, so you can just go in and just create from scratch using the text, shapes, elements, whatever the case might be. And they also have tons of like elements. We have like flowers, we have like retro cars, retro something critters, I don't know. We have the cow cat, Japanese tunes. I mean, they also added a ton more since I started using the app. They also keep making more stickers and designs. That's what I like. Clothing and beauty, you can do all of that. Oh my god, there's so many use cases for this. We also have like a decorative stickers. You can go into that section right now for different holidays, Easter's, like Christmas. They have like different holidays and occasions: spring, International Women's Day, Black Culture, Spring Festival, Valentine's Day. I think that's gonna be really huge for Valentine. You're gonna decorate something. Yeah, you can do egg, tomato, tea, garlic. You can put that on jars, like for teachers or like school projects. You can do tons of that stuff. And that's pretty much what you can do. Like, this is the sample I printed for the spices. You can just remove it and put it on the spice jar. Honestly, I'm blown by it. I had no issue working with this. It's super easy to use. App works fine. You can do tons of stuff with the app. Also, the AI background remover that I show you was really good. You can just make anything in your imagination. I guess that's pretty much what I had for this video. I was super excited to make this video, and I'm glad that I could share it with you. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I don't have any sponsors, and I only do these videos for you. I want you to make a better decision for your money, with your money, and I think this $300 device is actually worth it, especially if you want to start a business in like a sticker business. I see tons of listings on Etsy, people just selling stickers, and you can be one of those people. I'm going to tag this device down in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.